Alright guys, what's up, how's it going? Welcome back for another video. So it's been a while since I've done a video on the channel, and the big reason for that is because about a week ago my computer 100% crapped out on me, and it was something I've been expecting for quite a while, but it just recently happened and kind of caught me by surprise. So I was forced to actually go buy a computer, had to wait a week for it to come in, and then I can finally do some videos. So in this video I'm just going to be doing a quick update to let you guys know that, I'm still here. I'm still doing videos, and I just want to show you guys how the portfolio and whatnot is doing. Now, some bad news about the whole computer crashing stuff is that I did lose a lot of the files and stuff, and like the things I was using to document things. But the cool thing about it is that I do have them all in my videos, so the only thing I really have to do is just go back and watch some of my videos, and I also kind of memorized most of it. So it's gonna take me some time to kind of get that stuff back on, and I will be doing like a little unboxing video because I want to show you guys the computer I bought because it was a really cool deal and stuff like that, and it was a really good price and stuff and whatnot. So I'll definitely be doing a video over the next couple days showing you guys like a little unboxing and whatnot. But other than that, I just want to do a quick little update today, guys. I want to show you guys how the portfolio is doing. Once again, I just want to let you guys know that I'm still here, and I haven't like ran away or anything like that. So in today's video, I'm just gonna go over the portfolio really quickly. We'll go over the dividend portfolio, and then we'll go over the Reit portfolio. So we'll cover the dividend portfolio first, and then I'll show you guys kind of what's been going on in the portfolio. I'll show you guys two stocks I'm buying today that are Canadian based, and then we'll jump into the Reit portfolio and show you guys how that portfolio is doing as well. So over the past day, and it's been a while since we did an update, so I think it's about time to do one. So over the past day, the stocks are down $15, which is 0.26%. $6,000, $6,012 in total for the portfolio. Over the past week, we are down 146, so stocks have went down quite a bit in the past week, and I think they're down pretty much across the market. I'm not too sure if this is just Canadian stocks, as I haven't been really paying attention too much to the overall market, but I think everything as a whole is kind of going down, but Canadian stocks have definitely went down. And this portfolio is pretty much, for the most part, Canadian stocks. Not 100%, but pretty much. So down quite a bit in the past week, as you guys can see. So it's a good time to buy since everything is down. And over the past month, we are still up a little bit though, because we did see a nice big jump up at the beginning of the month. So overall, we're still up a little bit. And if we go over the past 3 months, our dividend stocks are down just a bit. And all time, I think they are kind of hovering around. We actually went down quite a bit. So this last little dip actually did push us back down a little bit, because we were sitting a little bit in the positive over the past couple weeks, but it looks like it pushed us down to negative 1%, which is fine. Not a big deal. Just it's just a good time to buy, right? So we're down just a tiny bit, but that's not a big deal. So today, in today's video, the two stocks we're going to be buying in today's video is going to be Telus. I'm going to talk about Telus. Telus is a company I don't own as an individual stock in here. I do own it in some ETFs here, but I'm going to be buying some individual shares of Telus, and then the other stock I'm going to be buying in today's video is going to be Fortis. So Fortis is a stock I do own. I own a couple shares of Fortis. It's an energy utilities based company. I'll talk about it in just a second here, but let's spend a little bit of time talking about Telus, and I'll show you guys why I want to buy Telus. So as you guys can see here, Telus is a communications mobile network type kind of thing. They do a bunch of different video, internet, all that kind of stuff. They're a communications provider here in Canada, and they're a pretty big one. And I'm a big fan of them because they have a lot of good companies. Some of the bigger companies that Telus has is like Kudo, and they actually have my favorite network provider, which is Public Mobile. If you guys don't know, I did a video of Public Mobile a little while back. It's an online phone provider. I don't think they provide internet, but just an online phone provider, and they have really good deals for Canadians and really cheap, good phone prices. Definitely check them out. But I really like Telus. It's a really solid stock. It's been a solid stock for a long time. Lots of growth, lots of history of dividend increases and stuff like that. As you guys can see here, it's currently trading about $23 on the TSX, and as you guys can see, it's got a dividend yield of about 5%. So a nice good dividend yield right now. If we go to the past, let's check out the past year and kind of see how the stock has been doing since the pandemic. So since the pandemic hit, it's down. It rose a little bit, but it's still down quite a bit. It's sitting at, like I said, $24, and it was sitting at about $28, so it's not too bad. I think it's still a pretty good solid buy, and I'm definitely buying lots of share of Telus as Telus goes on. So once again, I think Telus is a great company. I'll probably talk about them more in another video, but as you guys can see here, I'll just click this little more button, and actually we can see all the different companies. So we have Kudo Mobile, Telus Mobile, Telus TV, never even heard of that. Public Mobile, Telus International, some different ones here that once again I've never heard of, but you guys can see all the different companies that Telus runs under. So they have a lot of different phone providers here in Canada, and they're really solid. I think they're like one of the companies I think that actually have some better rates and stuff like that, and some cheaper phone brands that people can actually afford, which I like to see. So I'm good on them. So we're gonna go in here and let's buy some shares of Telus. I currently have about $166 to spend on stocks today, so I'm gonna be splitting it evenly between Telus and Fortis. So I'm just gonna take a peek back here and see what the actual ticker for Telus is, and it is TSE XT. So we'll kind of search that up here. We'll be able to just search the stock itself and find it inside Wealthsimple Trade here. And by the way, guys, if you guys want to get signed up with Wealthsimple Trade, I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video. If you guys use that link, you can get $10 for opening up an account. Otherwise, I have an affiliate link for Wealthsimple in my description of the video. If you can sign up for Wealthsimple, the robo-advisor, and you get $50 for signing up for them. But there are conditions. You do have to deposit a certain amount of money for them to work. But anyways, let's go in here and we're going to type in Telus, and I got my super loud keyboard. The new keyboard they sent me is really nice, but it's also really loud at the same time. It's kind of funny. Once again, I'll talk about that when we go over the video, because you guys can see kind of what the computer I bought and whatnot. But it came with a nice keyboard and a nice mouse. Like, you got all the flashy colors and everything. So, but anyways, here's Telus Corp, $23 on Wealthsimple Trade. I'm gonna buy about maybe 4 to 24.60, maybe 3. We'll buy 3 shares of it, I think, is what we're gonna do, and stick that inside our portfolio, and confirm the order, and kind of let it go through tomorrow there. Not now. Go done. And the next one I'm going to buy is Fortis. So Fortis is another stock and another company I talked about. Once again, they are a Canadian utilities company. They're kind of similar to Enbridge, but a little bit more secure, I think, in my opinion. They're not as like if we go the past 5 years, you can see there's nice solid growth, and they've been doing pretty well since the pandemic. And once again, they're not as popular as Enbridge, but it is a solid company, and they are starting to grow. And although their dividend yield isn't super high, at 3%, it is starting to grow, and they have really, really good dividend growth over time. And we currently only own 3 shares, so I'm thinking we're going to buy a couple more shares today. So we have $53, and that means we can buy about 1 share, I think, of Fortis. So we can buy 1 share of Fortis. I'm just going to go down here and buy this. I'm going to our TFSA, buy 1 share of Fortis. Go there. Let the order go through. And then after the orders are done, I'll give you guys a quick little update on my Reit stocks, and then I'll go over and I'll let you guys know how the dividends have been doing. We have $35 left, so that's not too much. I'm just going to stick that into VDY and buy some more ETFs for the portfolio. So buy 1 share of VDI, because VDY is still a really, really good ETF. It's the main ETF in the portfolio, so we just want to kind of keep that balanced out. So go through there with that, and then I'll give you guys quick little updates on the REITs, and then we'll go over the dividends, and I'll talk about the dividends. I don't have the dividend sheet anymore. I'm definitely going to have to do an update on that because I lost that with my computer, so I'm going to have to kind of go through and watch an older video and punch it in. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's not a big deal. I'm happy at least I can do that, and I didn't actually 100% lose everything, because that definitely wouldn't have been fun. So we'll switch accounts here really quickly. We'll go over to the, oops, sorry guys, screwing up here a little bit. We've got the REITs here. So REITs are doing quite a bit different than our dividend stocks, as you guys can see. Over the past day, they are up $15, which is 0.34%. Over the past week, they're down about 2%, and that looks bad, but if we go over the past month, they are still up 3% overall. So REITs have been doing really well for some reason. Real estate continues to do well, and keeps growing for some weird reason. Up 1.73% over the past 3 months, and all time our REIT portfolio is currently outperforming our dividend stock portfolio, but not by much, surprisingly, because REITs have went down a lot more when the pandemic happened. So even though they kind of had a good recovery lately, they're still down a little bit, but they are performing a little bit better than our dividend stocks, sitting at about 1% gain all time as of right now. And these are all Canadian REITs, by the way, all 100% Canadian REITs. And I don't think I have any money to spend on REITs. I'm turning back a little bit on the REITs and focusing on the dividend stocks, but I will be putting money inside the REITs as time goes on. I'm just focusing on dividend stocks for now. So other than that, guys, we're going to finish up the video by checking out the dividends we made in the past little while. I'm just going to do this really quickly so you guys can see the dividends. I don't know if I touched upon this in the last video since it's been so long, but I'll just talk about it really quickly. So we'll go over the October's dividends so far. So the first dividend we got was ZRE. Second dividend was ZWC, $1.32, H&R REIT $2.65, RioCan gave us a dividend of $4.92, VRE $4.02, and then VDY with a solid dividend of $7, so it's pretty sweet. And as you guys can see, the dividends are just slowly starting to grow as the portfolio continues to grow and whatnot. So we should get some more over the past couple days, past week or so. I think a lot of the bank stocks pay dividends at the end of October, so we're kind of wait for those to come in. But other than that, guys, I just wanted to do this quick little video to give you guys an update on the channel, give you guys an update on the portfolio, let you guys know that I'm still here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section, and as I kind of work things out and I get the computer set up and whatnot, I'll definitely be doing more videos and more variety of videos as things goes on. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.